Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the fall FabFitFun box. So if you want to see what is in here, then just keep watching. So if you don't know what FabFitFun is, I believe if I'm understanding it right, it's a seasonal subscription box. So this is their fall 2020. So it's the first year that I bought it. Looks like they retail for $49.99. Like I said, they only come out with the season, so the next one would be, you know, winter. So let's just open it up. It looks like they have a magazine in here, which I've seen some people do unboxing, so I believe it just talks about all the products you could have gotten and the ones you have specifically. And then I believe it just says, like, yeah, ways you can style it if you got a purse, those kind of things. So we'll leave it open so we can talk pricing, and then let's just go into this. So let me find the first item on here. Okay, I think it's that 4A. Okay, so the first thing in here is a Mason Tops glass water bottle with neoprene in turquoise. This is turquoise? It says it's $35. Goodness. I hate these kind of ways to open things. Oh, it is turquoise. I like this color. Ooh. So it comes with like this little cloth sleeve, which is nice. And then it looks like it's just a open. Ooh, this needs cleaned. Whew, smells. That's really nice. And it looks like it's just a standard mason jar. It holds up to 2 cups or 500 milliliters, depending on how you measure. That's really nice. I've actually been needing a new water bottle. I have one for home and one for work. And the one at work is getting nasty, so it's time. Because it's got like one of those grip handles. Oh my god, I can't get this back in now. There we go. Okay, so that is cool. Would I pay $35 for this? Hell no. Give me like a $20, sure. But $35? Nah. Grateful that I have it though. I just personally probably wouldn't have gone out and paid for it, so that's nice. Okay, let's move on to this. 5C. Man, this makes it really easy to find. So this is called the Liquid, but it's LIKWID-RX. Stress reliever, 100% natural. Oh, there's no way I'm gonna be able to pronounce that. Nope, not even gonna try. Hair oil. Says give yourself a scalp massage to relieve dry and stressed out hair while calming the mind. Interesting. This retails for $75. Oh my god. This better do more than just calm me, because I'm not calm at that price. See, that's one thing I can tell you that I do like about subscription boxes in general is, one, they give you stuff that's expensive that I would never buy on my own just because I'm not willing to pay that, which is so funny. My priorities are way off because I'm willing to spend that kind of money on something else. But I can't. Oh my god, I hate this kind of packaging. $75 and you give me this? This is drugstore packaging. Give me a box. All right, let's at least smell this. We're not gonna use it because we're not gonna waste it if it's $75, but what does that smell like? I recognize the scent. It literally takes me back to like summer camp things. Like going to the pool. Maybe it's a sunscreen. Like not the standard sunscreen. This smells really good. I wouldn't say it's a stress reliever. That smell doesn't relieve stress. It brings back bad memories. But use your fingers to apply oil into scalp, massage, and then shower and rinse after an hour or later. Okay, so this would be fun for like a weekend spa day. Because God knows my hair needs it. This is ridiculously priced though. Like, this better be a miracle worker. So, we got that. Cool. Let's move on. This seemed interesting to me. I need to find it. Okay, 70. Okay, it's the height, I think, Hythe, Tranquility Sleep Mist. It is formulated with witch hazel, lavender oil, and rice water. This mist creates a tranquil sleep environment. Does it say anything else? Like how it wants you to use it? Nope. So am I spraying my face? Am I spraying the... It doesn't say. It says for all skin types, so I'm assuming it's your face, but why does it not tell you? Because it could be like one of those things that you're meant to spray on your pillow, but it doesn't say. I gotta Google this. I need to know. It's gonna bug me. Why does it not tell you? Aha! So the box doesn't say, but the packaging does. It says before bed, mist around your pillows and sheets to create a calming sleep environment. Hold 8 to 10 inches away from your face and body to relax and soothe your skin. So it's for both. Okay, cool. That's what I needed to know. Smell like lavender, that's all I smelled. I forgot to say the price. This is $22. Woohoo. I don't know, I think it's nice. We'll see if it actually helps at all. Although I don't really have problems sleeping, but that's nice. What is the next item? All right, the next item is by the Beauty Crop. It's called the Glow Milk Nourished with try this again. 8C. Okay, it is called the Glow Milk in Blind Date. So it says it's a liquid radiance in a bottle. Create a long-lasting lit from within look with our champagne colored liquid highlighter. Ooh, it's a highlighter. Enriched with coconut, it hydrates while illuminating the skin to achieve a healthy luminous glow by brushing 3 dots on our illuminating milk on the high points of your face and collarbone. Blend with your fingertips. Repeat for more dramatic. This packaging is so cute though. It's like a milk carton. Okay, I think this is definitely going to be way too dark for my pasty ass skin. I forgot to mention this is $19.50. Alright, we'll put a little on my hand. That's definitely not champagne, but okay. Oh shoot, too white to show you. Can you see it? I feel like I could make it work, but it would almost be slightly too dark with like the pink hue that it has. It's just a little too dark for my pale ass, but I could make it work. That's nice. I wish it was just a lighter shade, but obviously this is for, I think, I was gonna say it's supposed to be, it's for a vast majority of people, but it's not. Because I forgot, they had me fill out like a questionnaire, so they know I'm fair. What you doing? All right, let's move on. Oh, I forgot to mention, because I opened it slightly earlier, because I had to know. It came with like coupon things, so you have HelloFresh, Gather the Good. Oh, never mind, it's FabFitFun. Oh, this must be, I'm gifting you 15 for, oh, do you guys want $15 off? I think that's what this means. Yeah, pass this on to a friend. So if you want $15 off your first one, come on. Oh. You know what, I'll put it down below. Wait, oh. Damn, that lighting. I'll put it down below. And then it also has a coupon for Bright Cellars wine. I'm allergic, but thanks. My husband can have that. Okay, let's move on. What is this one? 6B. All right, it's called the Launders New York Crease Release. So easily remove moderate wrinkles with clothing and fabric with the spray. Especially when ironing isn't an option and it's $16. Oh, I like that price. Okay, so it just says it's the classic. I do really like that in their description it says moderate wrinkles. That's where they get away with it, because they don't need you coming at them yelling that they can't get it out. For best results, spray item 6 inches away. Safe for all fabrics and furnishings. Interesting. I wonder what it smells like. Of course, you're not going to smell it. Ooh, it just smells like fresh laundry. That actually smells really, really good. I'm excited about this because I'm that person that will walk out of the house with wrinkles and get yelled at by everyone. So I really like that. Okay, what let's move on to the next item, which I don't know what it is. Made in Vietnam, that's cool. Oh, maybe it's that. That's sweeting. So it looks like jewelry. It is! Okay, so this is by the brand Jenny Bird, and it actually gives you a coupon, which I guess I probably shouldn't share because it's meant to be for people who buy the box. I find I won't tell you. But it does give you a code for 20% off, which is nice. Oh, I was gonna say they're not in America because the dates are backwards, but it's made in Vietnam. But it says that they're actually located in Toronto, it looks like. But they do the day, month, year, whereas in America we do the month, year, day. Anyways, this is called the Austin Cuff. It's a mix of classic and modern chains. This cuff is for the lady who loves a good stack. Oh, $135. Wow. And it's probably not gonna fit me. So this is what it looks like. It's really cute. So it's just like mixed metals and different textures and shapes. Can it fit? Will it fit? Will it fit? Oh, it'll fit just barely. I can't do it with these long ass nails, but it will fit. It just does have a pretty big gap on me. But that's what happens when you're plus size, right? So that's really nice. Again, probably not something I would have paid $135 for, but you do get a lot in this. Like, it's essentially 5 bracelets in one, so it's actually a pretty good deal. The next 2 items, I have no idea. They look like clothes, but I don't think so. Oh, I wonder if it's that. Is it the scarf thingy? Okay, it's by Beyond Yoga, it says. Oh, interesting. Something tells me I'm probably never gonna wear this, but we'll try it out when it gets cold. So it is called the Beyond Yoga Hidden Pocket Infinity Scarf. It's a lightweight scarf that features a hidden zipper, big enough for a wallet, phone, or lip balm. It's $59.95. So it's literally just a scarf, and it's got a decent size, wow, actually pretty damn big pocket in it. I think the thought of this being a scarf, an infinity scarf, is nice. It's very, very soft material. However, I could not see myself putting anything in this except for maybe a lip balm. Because if I started putting a phone or a wallet, that would get too heavy. So like a lip balm and a card. That I could see. Anything else, I feel like that'd be too heavy around my neck. But this is really nice. It's really, really soft. Really soft. I don't know if it's this lighting, but it's supposed to be black, I think. But it's coming off as like dark green. What color? It doesn't say a color here. I want to say it's black, but the lighting in here is confusing me. I think it's black. We're gonna go with it's black. Okay. Last item is a purse. Backpack. Okay, so the last item is the Boat Cure New York Trigger Backpack. It says it's a multifunctional backpack, holds all the essentials in style, $100. Jeesh. But I have better luck with this backpack than the other one. Something tells me probably not. Oh, that's cool. It says the name on this material. I love this kind of straps for bags. So this is the bag. It's just very lightweight, like durable material. It might have leather or faux leather on here, but the actual like material is that like, what's it called? I can't think of the name, but like raincoat. So it looks like you got 2 pockets in the front. They are usable, but they're very tiny. And then it looks like you just have a deeper pocket in here, and it did have a small little zip in there. Ah, mine is ruined. Look, there's a scratch on it. Do I talk to FabFitFun about that? Yeah, I'll give them a call. Actually, I do think you can call them. So this is cute. I wonder though how big it will get because, you know, plus size here. I actually might be able to make that work. Maybe. We'll have to see. Yeah, I could probably make that work. Hopefully. I think it'd be okay. Yeah, probably. All right. So that is, yeah, that's everything for the box. Let me add it up real quick. Okay, so it looks like this box retails for $462.45. Weird number. And obviously I bought it, well, I got a discount because I used somebody else's code, but I technically would have purchased it for $49.95. So you definitely get a lot in here. I think I'm gonna keep my subscription. Currently the only subscription I have is BoxyCharm, which I do really like, but I like that this incorporates stuff other than just skincare and beauty. So, well, skincare and makeup. So I do really like that. So overall I like the water bottle. I like the wrinkle spray because I need it. I like the liquid highlighter. I just don't know if it's gonna work for my skin. I think it will. This we'll have to see, because if this does not miracle, not worth $75. We'll see though. The sleep mist is a nice idea. Obviously, again, don't know if it's gonna work. The bracelet I do think is really cute. Definitely not in my normal comfort zone, but I actually really like it, so that's nice. Because again, wouldn't have purchased it, but nice that I have it. I think this backpack is really nice. It's not my normal style, but I do like the thought of it, and I like that it's like durable material. So in winter here, if it's snowing or raining outside, it doesn't matter if it gets nasty because this seems like really easily cleanable material. Just gonna have to talk to them about the scratch. And then the scarf. I like the concept of the scarf, just don't know how practical it would be just because of, like I said, the weight of if you actually put a phone or a wallet in it. But I do like the thought of being able to just put like my card or something in it. That would be nice. So I actually do think this is a really good idea. If you can afford it, I definitely suggest doing it because, like I said, you get a variety of things to try out that you wouldn't typically have purchased. So yeah, that is all I have for this video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.